How's it going, guys? Stevie at the Ioniq. So today we're doing another product review. I just want to give a big shout out to Best EV Mode for sending me this product. This is not a sponsor video. They just sent me this product to review, and I will give my honest opinion. So yeah, I will show you how to install it and guide you to the process. Let's get it.
Charging started.
So the first thing you will realize is that there's two hooks here on the side. There's not really a hook, but there's places when it should go. So there's one here. So you will see those two on both sides. And the other hook is over there. So as you pull the whole thing out, it will hook on this side. And again, this section, the one on each side. So you can either put on this side or this side. For this purpose only, I'm going to put on the far back option. You just push it like that. So yeah, I put it on this section, and I'm gonna decide. Yeah, so now it's all the way to the far back section, and it's a pretty simple step. So after you install it, it will be locked. So in order to unlock it, it's a bit tricky. So right now it's locked. In order to unlock it, put your hand here, press it down, and pull it out to the middle. And when you pull it to the middle, you actually let it unlock. So now it's unlocked. So you have to move it a bit. It will be unlocked. And after it's unlocked, you can pretty much remove it with one hand. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any question, put in a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next episode.
Charging started.